In today's video, I would like to show you 5 really easy recipes for making smoothie bowl. I actually got into eating it pretty recently. I mean, ever since the quarantine started, I have this strong craving towards anything that is unhealthy. Typically cookies, ice creams, and chocolate. And obviously I can't have those all the time, so I try to have smoothie bowl as a healthy alternative, and it really works for me. Like, it does reduce the craving I have for those junks. So I was like, why not share it with you guys if you happen to have the same struggle as I do. So before I jump into the recipe, I just want to quickly show you guys what I use to make the smoothie bowl. So started with the blender. I think this is the same concept as Magic Bullet. I got this one from AliExpress. I think I only paid like 25 USD dollar for it, so it's a pretty good deal. It comes with two shape of the bottle, so this one is 600 millimeter, this one is 300. For me, I normally stick with this one because I can just, put more stuff inside. And it also comes with a cap as well, so if you wanted to bring your smoothie outside, you simply just need to do something like this. Moving on to the milk. I normally stick to soy milk and almond milk. So this one is soy, this one is almond. For you, you can use whatever you like, really, like oat milk, quinoa milk, anything really works. And for granola, I always put granola in my smoothie because I just feel like it adds a lot of more flavor into it, and also it fill me up quicker. Really, you can just use whatever you want. And the last but not the least, I just wanted to mention that there is no measurement in my recipe. I'm sorry for that. I guess you can tell that I'm really horrible in baking because I just screwed up the measurement all the time. I just kind of wing it, I don't really put something like, oh, 1 scoop of this and 1 cup of that. So my bad, sorry for that. So anyway, let's jump into the video. recipe that I want to share with you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and if you wanted to see more content like this, or if you just want to see more of me, please remember to subscribe. That will make me really happy. At the very last part of this video, I just wanted to share with you a quick tip of how to make your smoothie bowl thick enough, because obviously if it's not really thick, the toppings and whatever granola you wanted to add on the top, it will just kind of sink to the bottom, and then you don't really want that. I've tried different kind of ways, but I find two ways are most effective. First of all is just to add more frozen fruit, especially frozen banana. It really adds up, adds the thickness to your smoothie. And then the second way obviously is to reduce amount of liquid you put inside. So for example, for this kind of measurement, I normally just add my milk to here, and then I will blend for like, let's say 20 seconds, just to see how thick the smoothie will become. If the liquid is not enough, I will just add a tiny bit more, but normally it is enough. So that's the tip I use for making thick enough smoothies, and hopefully this will be some sort of help to you. And I've also made a video on healthy breakfast idea. If you haven't watched it, I will just link it up below so you can check out that one as well. This is pretty much the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed once again, and I'll see you guys next time. Also remember, stay safe and stay healthy in the quarantine period.